Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you tips and tricks on how to become a successful executive. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 strategies that will help you achieve your goals and lead your team effectively. The first strategy is to have a clear vision. As an executive, you need to know where you want to take your organization and how you plan to get there. You need to communicate your vision to your employees, stakeholders, and customers, and inspire them to follow you. Having a clear vision will also help you make better decisions and prioritize your actions. The second strategy is to delegate and empower. As an executive, you can't do everything by yourself. You need to trust your team and give them the authority and resources they need to perform their tasks. Delegating and empowering your team will not only free up your time for more strategic work, but also motivate them and increase their productivity and creativity. The third strategy is to seek feedback and learn. As an executive, you need to constantly improve yourself and your organization. You need to seek feedback from your team, peers, mentors, and customers, and listen to their opinions and suggestions. You also need to learn from your successes and failures, and apply the lessons to your future actions. Seeking feedback and learning will help you grow as a leader and as a person. The fourth strategy is to balance work and life. As an executive, you have a lot of responsibilities and pressures. You need to balance your work and life, and take care of your physical, mental, and emotional health. You need to set boundaries, prioritize your tasks, manage your time, and delegate when necessary. You also need to find time for yourself, your family, and your hobbies. Balancing work and life will help you avoid burnout and enjoy your journey as an executive. These are the 4 strategies that will help you succeed as an executive. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.